Hey, welcome back to another part of the show. The second salad we're making today is spinach salad with maple dressing. It's probably my first favorite dressing or salad. And it's very, very simple. Okay? How I make it anyway. Apple cider vinegar, again. Real maple syrup. You can use real mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, whatever. I like both. And I have Miracle Whip in the fridge, so that's what I'm using. A little bit of sugar, some olive oil, or you can use canola oil too. I've used canola oil, salt and pepper, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to start with the blender. Actually, yeah, I'll use a blender. You can just mix this in a bowl too, but it is easier to kind of do it in a blender. So I mix a 1/4 cup of Miracle Whip. Okay, so that's about 1/4 cup. Okay, and then I'll go 1/4 cup of real maple syrup. Okay, and I'll go 2 tablespoons of apple cider. What are you doing, Bye?
I'm just getting stuff.
2 tablespoons apple cider. And then I'm going to go tablespoon sugar. Kids home, running around. Driving me crazy. Okay, and just gonna slowly mix that with some extra virgin olive oil. And I use about 1/2 cup until you get the consistency that you want. Okay, and I do the same thing as my other dressings. I'll let it blend. Add a little salt and pepper. Just bring out the flavors a little bit more. Okay, let me get that little mix. So mix that. Okay, and now I'm going to give it a little taste to see what's going on with this now. Tasting spoon. You know, I like it, but the extra virgin olive oil is a little strong. So I'm going to go with a little bit more maple syrup. Okay, so I started with a 1/4 cup, but I'm probably almost 1/2 cup now. Go. Let me try that. Better. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the dressing. And normally I use canola oil, but today I have extra virgin olive oil. But I kind of like the canola or vegetable oil actually even more, to tell you the truth. Just my preference. Now, so for the salad, I'm just going to chop up an apple, thinly slice. Okay, thin slices. I like green apples for this, but use whatever you want. you know, crab apples if you want, I don't care. Nothing better than a good old crab apple spinach salad. Just make sure you have lots of toilet paper because that's on a shortage right now. So a little bit of spinach. Now, I don't have any almonds, but I love sliced almonds on this. I love it. Or any kind of nut really, but some apple, nice thin sliced. Okay, I take some mozzarella cheese. I got some bacon from this morning that my wife cooked. Crumble that on it. Ooh, salty from the bacon and the sweet maple dressing. Deadly. Okay, and that's that. Grab a fork. And I'm going to put this in a container because I have a hunch that I'll be eating this for later. Okay. So this salad took really 5 minutes to make. All right, and I just sprinkle that dressing on it. So that's pretty much it, okay? And I put dry cranberries on this, but I love nuts, I just don't have any. And I'm not going to the grocery store because it's crazy out there. So this is what I have, this is what you're getting. But I'm gonna give it a try. Very healthy, like lots of vegetables and apples and stuff like that. I do really, really enjoy it. Okay, so 2 salads, probably 5 minutes each to cook, make them, and they're great. I don't know what I'm gonna make again. Making chicken dinner tonight for supper, so I might have chicken noodles, chicken soup. That's what I'm gonna make tomorrow for the show. Chicken soup. And if not, I might just make some toast. But I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you again on the next episode of Easy Eats.